Hello students, good morning. So already we started the lesson measurement. In measurement, today we are going to learn about capacity. So we'll see what is capacity, where we'll use this capacity, what are the units to measure this capacity, and how to do the conversion. And we'll see the relation between what is the relation between in the units. So let's begin. See, what is capacity? Capacity means a container can hold how much amount of liquid. Today in capacity we are going to learn about liquid only. So the capacity means how much amount of liquid a container can hold. Liquid means which can flow from from one direction to another, like water, milk, oil, petrol. These are all liquid form. So we'll see how to measure this liquid. So for that we are using the word capacity here. So capacity means how much amount of liquid a container can hold. See here I have two bottles. So which one is bigger in this? Definitely green is a bigger bottle compared to this one. So definitely this will hold more water into this because this size is bigger and this size is small. So depends on the size we can tell that how much the amount of liquid a container can hold. So suppose what is capacity? Suppose your school bag, how much books your school bag can hold? That is the capacity of your school bag. Suppose 20 books, 10 books, 15 books. So that much books you can carry in your bag. That is the capacity of your bag. Like that, how much the liquid a container can hold? Suppose I have here glass and this one. So which one is bigger? Definitely this will hold more water compared to this one because the capacity of this is greater than the capacity of the glass. So how much the liquid this container can hold or this jug can hold, or how much the liquid the glass can hold, that is called the capacity of this glass. So we'll see. So what is the capacity? Capacity means how much liquid a container can hold. That is called as a capacity. Here container means anything like a glass, bottle, bucket, bowl. These all are containers. So where we are storing the liquid. That is called as a container here. So how much liquid a container can hold, that is called as a capacity. So this capacity, what is the standard unit of this capacity? The standard unit to measure this capacity is liter and milliliter. So these are the two units which we are using to measure the capacity. One is liter and another is milliliter. So when the more liquid is there, suppose 2 liter juice bottle, that is we measure in the liter. Medicine syrup, cough syrup or fever syrup or anything will measure in the milliliter. So small amount measure in the milliliter and the bigger amount measure in the liter. Suppose if I tell you the bucket contains water, that bucket's capacity is 5 liter. So definitely that bucket contains the water as a 5 liter capacity. If what is the capacity of milk packet? It is a 500 ml or 1 liter. Yes or no? The milk packet, whatever you bring from the shop, that contains 1 liter or 500 ml. So 500 ml is half of the 1 liter. So this way, in our day-to-day life, we'll use this capacity. Like when we bring the oil, 5 liter can or 1 liter packet, 2 liter packet, even we'll bring the curd, half liter, 1 liter curd, milk, curd, oil, petrol, these all are measured in the liter and milliliter only. Small amount like syrup and juices, these are measured in milliliters. So hope you understand what is the you need to measure the capacity, that is a liter and milliliter. So what is capacity? How much liquid a container can hold, that is called as the capacity. So what is the relation between the liter and milliliter? So 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So out of 1000, one part out of 1000 is nothing but our milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. When we divide this into 1000 parts, and when that we call it is a 1 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So this is the standard formula we are using to when we are doing the conversion, our relation between the milliliter and liter. That time we are using this formula to see how to convert milliliter into liter. So till now, hope you understand what is the capacity. We'll move forward. In olden days, there are some instruments people has to use to measure the milk. They has to use, this is the, if you go in any dairy and all, you can see this type of a jug will be there. They will use this to measure the milk. Any dairy, milk dairy farm, if you go there, you can see this type of instruments, and they has to use this type of instruments they have to use to measure the oil. In olden days especially, they has to use this type of instruments to measure the oil. So that is 500 ml, 1 liter, then 250 ml. So different size of these types of, they has to measure the jugs and cans to measure to do the measurement, because earlier there was no bottle concept, because directly you give the milk using, because there was no packets and all. So they has to use these instruments to measure the liquid. So on this there are different sizes, 250 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml. So as per your requirement, they has to provide a liquid for you. So this is this thing. So now we'll see. So now we'll see how to do the conversion. Conversion of convert liter into milliliter. Milliliter. So you have to convert now liter into milliliter. So how to convert? Because here liter bigger capacity is here. Suppose this is the 14 liter. So when we are converting bigger liter into the smaller units, we have to multiply by 1000. We know, we learn in the first in measurement, that is in the meter and kilometer, centimeter also. So here 14 liter is given, so definitely we have to multiply with the 1000. So 14 multiplied by 1000, we are getting 14,000 milliliter. So this is your answer. So when we are converting bigger unit into smaller unit, we always multiply by 1000. So this way you can do the conversion. Suppose here, this is the first one. Second one, 8 liter and 69 milliliter. Here liter also given and milliliter also given. So you can't directly add these two numbers because this is the liter. Liter is the bigger unit. Milliliter is a smaller unit. So that in that case, first thing you have to do the conversion. So you will convert this 8 liter into milliliter. So how to convert this? 8 into 1000 milliliter plus 69 milliliter as it is, because we are doing just conversion 8 liter here. So here 8000 milliliter plus 69 milliliter. Now both are in milliliter. 8000 also in milliliter and 69 also in milliliter. So easily you can add the, because unit is same. If the units are same, you can easily add the number. So there is no need of conversion. Now it is both are in milliliter. So 8000 plus 69 is 8069 milliliter. So this is your answer. So this way you can do the conversion of any numbers given. Only one thing you have to remember, that you have to, if it is both units are given, that time bigger unit you have to convert first, because converting bigger unit is easy here because you are multiplying with 1000. So convert this liter into milliliter and then you can add the numbers. This is about converting liter into milliliter. Suppose milliliters are given and they will ask you convert into liter. In that case, what we have to do, we'll see here. So question is here, convert milliliter into liter. Milliliter into liter. So this is our question here. Convert milliliter into liter. Suppose first one, 7000 milliliter is given. 7000, M for milli, L for liter. So M is small, L is capital. Whenever you are writing the units, M is small, L is capital, milliliter, and liter is capital L. It is expressed with capital L. So milliliter is given. Now you have to convert into liter. So whenever smaller units were converted into the bigger units, that time we are dividing by 1000. So what we have to do here? We have to divide by 1000. So 7000 divided by 1000. So this 30 will go with 0, 7 liter. So this is your answer. 7 liter is your answer. So this way you can convert milliliter into liter. Suppose here 4035 milliliter is given. Here 4035 milliliter is given and they are asking you convert into liter. So in that case, first thing we have to expand this in such a way that it's easy to divide that number, first number, to convert into liter. So here 4035. So whole number is 4000. Okay, 4000 milliliter plus 35 milliliter. So now you expanded this number. So easily now you can divide by 1000 here. So 4000 divided by 1000. So you get the liter plus 35 milliliter. So here this 3 will go with this 3. 4 liter 35 milliliter. So this is your answer. So 4 liter and 35 milliliter. Here because 4000 divided by 1000 is 4 liter and 35 milliliter as it is. So hope you understand how to convert milliliter into liter. So in today's class we saw what is capacity. Capacity means the amount of how much liquid a container can hold. That is called as capacity. That capacity is like the container can be anything: bucket, bottle, bowl, glass, or jug, anything. How much the liquid that especially that bottle can hold, that is called as a capacity. Then we saw what is the where we use this in our day-to-day life. We are using this capacity to buy the milk packet, petrol, the juice can, oil can, oil pocket. In everyday day-to-day life, we are using this capacity. So we'll measure this capacity. So that is why we have to learn we should know what is meant by capacity. Then what is the unit to measure the capacity? We saw that the capacity is used, the unit is used to measure the capacities liter and milliliter. The relation between liter and milliliter is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then we saw the conversion. How to do the conversion? Means from the liter into milliliter and milliliter into liter. Whenever we are converting from liter into milliliter, we are multiplying by 1000. And when we are doing the milliliter into liter, that time smaller units into bigger units. Whenever we are converting, we are dividing by 1000. So hope you understand till now what we learned in today's class. So dear students, if you have any comments, if you have any queries, please drop into the comment box so that I can again reach out to you. Or if you want any improvement from my side, that also write into comment box. Dear students, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you like and subscribe my channel, you will get the notification whenever I will post the video. So hope you understanding what I am teaching in today's class. Now be happy, keep on studying, and we'll see you into the next class. Till that time, keep studying. Bye. Have a good day.